So we're here at IFA. So what is your company?
So we are iDoit from Korea. We are a Korean company. We are manufacturer of several products. So we do mainly satellite products, and we have also multimedia new products. We are so this year in IFA to present you new products like the Gam.r. So the Gam.r is really something very new and unique. So in fact, the Gam.r is we are transforming your smartphone to like a Wii or a PlayStation. In fact, at home, in order to enjoy more the games when you play at home. So you can enjoy them on a bigger screen.
Can you come closer? So that you're using miracast.
So we are using miracast solution with the PCU of Broadcom.
Galaxy Note 2?
So we have it right now under the Galaxy Note 2, what we are showing here, but we have them also for all Android versions, but mainly the S3 and the S4 also. So the main products. So here you can see.
How good are the buttons for gaming?
So it's really very good, because like you see here, I'm keep pressing. So since I don't know how many hours here on the show we play, and we keep pressing on the buttons, it's no problem. We're still using the same one. This product, frankly, it's something kind of revolution, because so far we are using the screens and we have to touch the screens. Sometimes touch screen is not as good as we can imagine, so we are used maybe on our Wii or PlayStation to press the buttons. So here we bring you again something very good.
So this is a Note 2. This is Note 2, and you also have a Galaxy S4
and the S3, of course. So
this S3 or S4, this one, and so different sizes.
Of course,
the size.
Yeah, the size of the pad is different, because depends on the.
Can you show how it is to how it's connected under? So there's a connector right here, and you just slide it in. So what is the price?
In fact, the retail price of such an item in Europe will be around 60 euros. Which is something very common for game items or accessories.
And it's including the miracast dongle.
Of course, it's including the miracast dongle. So here we have it. We have opened it, in fact, just to show it to our customers. But so it will be a small box, same color, Broadcom base with the miracast solution.
But you can also just play without. Just play outside.
Of course, so you can also just play just using it without the Wi-Fi. So in this case, this facilitates for you if you are really a gamer and you are really, let's say, a hard gamer. So you can use it this. It's much more easier than having the fingers on the screen here. Sometimes it's not as efficient as we think, having the screen. You can also enjoy other things like movies, like other things at home. You just sit down and you enjoy it on the screen or any other. So you have some presentations even to show for the companies or as the show here. So you can also use the Wi-Fi. So iDuo is a Korean manufacturer. We do several products. So we have here, for example, you are seeing a Bluetooth remote controller for all the smartphones. This transforms your smartphone to any set-top box or anything at home, because we use also this, what we call it, the iDuo. The iDuo is a mirroring item, so it mirrors your small smartphone to any bigger screen, so you can enjoy.
Let's go closer.
You can enjoy, in fact, the movies of your. You can enjoy the movies of your smartphone on a bigger screen, and you can use this Bluetooth remote controller to control, for example, the volume or to control. So
this is just up, down, left, right, middle.
Yes.
And exit. That's it.
So now we exit it. And we press OK.
Is this MHL?
So this is MHL output, but in fact, what is really here interesting is that the input is MHL to the device, but the output can be any audio, video, SD or HD source. So we downscale or we upscale the source.
How do you connect SD?
So in fact, this is
different cables.
So AV out. We have different cables here in the box. Cool. So if you see here, for example, this is the package which we will be selling it.
Right.
So you have the device in the middle. So the device can be also used for a 12-volt cigar jack, in fact. So you can use it at car, okay? In the car, or you can use it at any external source, so power at home or a hotel. If you have a subscription to a pay TV channel, for example, you have here the application of the pay TV. You travel, you go to a hotel, they have Wi-Fi, so you can see your channels. Your favorite channels here, you can have them on a bigger screen, and by sitting down and laying down on your bed with the remote controller, it's like you are at home. So this is to have it, for example, like on a...
what is that?
It's just a holder to have it,
somewhere,
in order not to lose it, in fact.
Okay.
Okay. So
iDuo is a big company, or?
So in fact, we are iDoit is mainly doing satellite antennas. So we have these satellite antennas. So this is.
Where do you sell this?
So in fact, this is mainly sold in Europe. The satellite antennas. This is a waveguide system. We use only the waveguide system. This is totally different than the existing parabol dishes. So all the dishes today, there is the pollution we call it the image pollution. So this is what we are trying to do, is trying to have some clean cities with nice views, with small antennas, not the big ugly parabol dishes, and we transform them also for the use of caravans and camping cars and automatic ones where you can use them to see several satellites. Cool. So this is mainly our core business, the satellite, and then we have the second multimedia. So in fact, this is the same product which I shown you there, the mirroring system, but we integrated the whole device in a screen where you can put it in a car for the kids, for example, in the back, and you can give them videos or photos on their small screen.
What is the CPU in there?
So this is we are using the MHL. We transformed the MHL to the signal HD or SD, as I told you. So it's our own. It's our own, in fact, development.
All right. So how many are you going to sell of the gamepads, you think? What is the target?
So we target 10,000 just in Central Europe.
Per day?
No, this is per year.
For the year?
Yeah.
All
so
right.
And we hope that we think that really it's a good product. People will enjoy more.
Can you easily make different size, or it has to be only the Samsung phone?
No, in fact, what we are planning for later is a kind of adapter to adapt it on. So you just use the adapter to adapt your phone on the pad itself.
Any
micro
phone, HDMI, micro USB.
Yeah, any phone later with its adapter. So we will provide the product with several adapters, which will be a kind of multi
stretching
adapter.
size and stuff. Cool. Okay.